everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of my 30-day Phonics Boost. First of all, a massive well done to you for coming back. That shows me that you're dedicated and you're going to see that improvement in your phonics skills and your confidence. Today is going to be very similar to yesterday, but we're going to be diving deeper into a different sound, learning some new words, a new tricky word, and of course playing our games and having some fun. So let's get those phonics brains turned on, those superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. So let's remind ourselves of the sounds that we're focusing on over our first 5 days. They are s, a, d, t. But it's not me who needs to be saying these sounds. I need to hear you joining in. Are we ready? Excellent. Do you think we can do it a little bit faster? Are we ready? Do you think we can do it even faster? Let's try. Oh, excellent. Amazing. Well done, you. Today, we are going to be focusing on the A sound. Now, the A sound is a short sound. A, A, A. Want to hear you joining in? A, A, A. Excellent. Now I know you can say the A sound. Let's look for some objects that start with the A sound. So, just like yesterday, we are going to look in my magic box and we're going to sort the objects into whether they start with the A sound or if they don't. Are we ready? Oh, it's happened again. I think we're going to need some phonics magic. Can you help me, superheroes? Do you remember our spell? We say hocus pocus, phonics, focus. Your turn. Excellent. Now let's say it together. Are we ready? Hocus pocus, phonics, focus. Let's have a look. For you. Are we ready? So, astronaut. Yes. Dog. No. Apple. Yes. Sock. No. Can you see this one? It's an ant. Does ant start with the A sound? Yes. So our ant, our apple, and our astronaut all start with our A sound, and our dog and our sock don't. Now this time I'm going to bring them out really quickly, and I want a nice and quick yes or no. Are we ready? Do you think you can do it super fast? Let's go. Excellent. Well done, superheroes. Right, let's move on to our oral blending. So for our oral blending, we really need those listening ears turned on. I'm going to sound out some words that use our A sound, and I want to hear you blend them. I'm going to say each word 2 times, and then I want to hear you. Are we ready? First word. A, n, t. A, n, t. Ant. Well done. S, a, t. S, a, t. Sat. Excellent. A, n, d. A, n, d. And great listening. Well done. Right, phonics superheroes, it's time to work on those reading skills. I'm going to sound out each word and blend it, and then it's going to be your turn. Are we ready? A, n, t, ant. Your turn. Ant. S, a, t, sat. Your turn. Next word. And. And. Your turn. And. Well done. Now we're going to do it again, but I'm not going to sound them out first. It's just your turn. Are we ready? Ant. Sat. And well done. I think you're ready for a challenge. Our challenge word today, woo, look at that one, anthill. Now an anthill is that big mound of dirt that ants make when they're digging their nest. My turn first. Oh, and we've got a digraph in this word. Can we see the two letter L's here together make the O sound? Listen carefully when I say it. Are we ready? A, n, t, h, I, o. Anthill. Your turn. Anthill. Well done. Your turn again. Anthill. Amazing. Well done you. Right, now we're going to have a rewind and look at some of our words from yesterday. Now, because we've already done these, I'm not sounding them out, just your turn. Are we ready? Sun. Sad. Excellent. And now let's move on to our tricky words. And remember, these are a bit tricky because we don't sound them out in a usual way, so we're just going to learn them. Our tricky word for today is to. Now this to is if you said, I'm going to the park or I'm going to the zoo. It's not the number. To. 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 Excellent. And can you remember our tricky word from yesterday? The. Excellent. So let's go through them. We've got to. The. Well done. You have worked so hard. Right, we are nearly at the end of day 2. Well done for everything you've done so far. It really is amazing. Now, we're going to go over our sounds one more time. I'm going to say them, then I want you to say them. Then we're going to play that game and I'm going to take some away again. Are we ready? So, me first. S, a, m, d, t. Right, now your turn. Now, I'm going to take some away. Are we ready? See which one's missing. Which one was missing? Ah, well done. Right, this time, let's see. I'm going to take away. Are we ready? Which one was missing? Well done. Right, one more. Oh, this one might be obvious. Are we ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. Day 2 completed. You should be so proud of yourself. I know that I am very proud of you. So let's give yourself a big pat on the back. And remember what we say. We say 1, 2, 3, well done me. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, well done me. Well done, and I can't wait to see you for day 3.